If you're interested in making some free, easy PayPal cash, then you're going to want to make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end, because I'm about to teach you 5 different methods to make easily over $100 a night even while you're sleeping. Now, while most people tell you that it's impossible to make money fall from the sky, I'm going to teach you a way to make that so. So if that sounds interesting at all, you're going to want to make sure to download our first app, which is Webull. Webull is a stock trading app that allows you to trade in almost any Forex major stock, and if that does sound interesting at all, I actually do have a link down below where if you guys deposit as little as 1 cent, you can go ahead and make up to $36,000 in completely free stocks. So if that does sound interesting, what you guys are going to do is that you're going to click on the link down in the description below, and it will take you to a website that looks like this. And then when you're at this website, you're just going to want to download the app on your phone, make a quick account, and you only need to deposit up to 1 cent to have the potential to make that much money. For our second app, we're going to use something called Savvy Connect. Now, Savvy Connect is this revolutionary new app that will actually take some small portion of your phone or your computer's performance that you're not using, and will actually convert that into free money for you. Now, this is not a scam, and this is totally legit, and per device that you get to sign up for this, you will get a free $5, which means that if you get enough devices for it, you can make up to $200 a month completely free without even you having to do anything, and you won't even notice a difference when you use it. So for our next method, you guys have the potential to make up to $500 a day using this completely legit site. It is called freecash.com. Now, if you go and sign up for my freecash.com link down below, what will actually happen is that Freecash will give you a free referral gift that could make you up to $250. So obviously this is a no-brainer because you're going to make nothing by doing this, and it's pretty much just instant to go ahead and sign up for it. If you're curious what Freecash is it's basically this place where there's a bunch of offers that you can go ahead and complete, and there's a bunch of video games that you could go play, a bunch of apps that you could download, and there's a bunch of tasks that you need to fill out that are within there. And then if you complete these tasks, you will earn points, and then when you gather these points, you can then deposit them into things like your PayPal or even Bitcoin if that's what you want to do. So if that does sound interesting, make sure to go sign up with my link down below. And for our next method of making money while you sleep, we have this app called Honeygain. Now, Honeygain is this super easy to use app where you can go ahead and download Honeygain, and it will take just some easy memory off of your computer that you're not using, and it will convert that into free cash for you. And if you go ahead and sign up with my link down below, you'll gain an instant 500 honey credits, which basically is going to transfer to about $5 that you could instantly deposit into your PayPal account. And this is especially easy if you just install Honeygain and you forget about it, and then usually at the end of the month you can collect almost $200 that you just made for completely free and completely anonymously, and you didn't even have to do anything about it. And for our last method of making money, it is actually my favorite. It is going to be using some kind of affiliate program. Now, affiliates are awesome because affiliates basically allow you to collect money while you're not even doing anything, and you just have to sit there and you just have to wait for it to come in. And the easiest way to get started with this is to do something like Amazon Associates. Now, Amazon Associates is Amazon's official affiliate program, where if someone uses your link to go ahead and buy a product, you will get about a 2 to 5% commission. Now, while that doesn't sound like a lot, if you're doing in a volume of like $1,000 of orders for Amazon a day, then you're making like 10 to 50 bucks a day, and that can stack up pretty quickly if you combine it with a bunch of other side hustles here mentioned. And all you have to do is that you have to go to AmazonAssociates.com. You have to sign up for a completely free account. They'll let anybody in, and then you just got to pick a list of products, any product that you think you would be good at promoting. Maybe a product that you just picked up. For me, I just bought a tripod, so I could take any tripod from Amazon and I could just make a link for that really quick with Amazon Associates, and then I can post that link wherever. Maybe I can make a YouTube video about the tripod and promote it that way. Maybe I could write a blog post about it. Maybe I can make a Twitter thread. There's so many different ways to do affiliate marketing, and I think that is absolutely something you guys should be paying attention to, because I do think it is going to be the next way to easily make hundreds of dollars while you're sleeping. So just to recap, our 5 methods of making hundreds of dollars while you sleep are: 1, downloading Webull and getting completely free stocks by using my link down below and depositing as little as 1 cent. 2, downloading Savvy Connect and hooking it up to a bunch of your devices, where you can be making over $5 a month per device, which can easily translate into hundreds of dollars extra per month. Number 3 is Freecash, going on to Freecash and doing a bunch of the offers, where you can go ahead and make a bunch of money just doing very simple tasks. Number 4, that's downloading Honeygain, and like Savvy Connect, it basically acts as taking free bandwidth off of your phone and computer, just turning that into instant free money for you. And number 5 is doing affiliate marketing through Amazon Associates. So if this video was at all good, make sure you guys subscribe, because if this video does get me 100 subscribers, I will be doing a free Cash App giveaway. So you're going to want to make sure to comment down your cash tag below so you can be eligible to enter, provided that this video does get me 100 subscribers. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and whatever video you see right here, you should go ahead and click on it, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.